How to remove professional dashboard on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will be able to see the professional dashboard, which means the account is set to business account currently. So, in order to change that, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and you will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. Here, scroll down and under the For Professionals tab, you will see the option for Business Tools and Controls. Tap on that and then tap on the Switch Account Type option you see there, and then tap on the Switch to Personal Account option. Further, in the confirmation that appears, tap on the Switch to Personal Account option, and with this, your account will be switched to personal account. Make sure that when you switch to a personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and insights from all your content, including your promotions. So, this is how you can remove professional dashboard on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.